Okay, here we are in our kayak on Mirror Lake.
Heading for town.
Heading for town.
I'll keep it up.
Here's Bob rowing.
Bosun Bob.
What are you?
I'm Bosun. Bosun's mate.
Okay. And here we go. And we're heading to town, and we didn't take any money. This is so beautiful.
Some of the houses on your right. Zoom in.
A couple houses on the lake. I'm feeling a bit seasick.
Coming into a nice view of town.
View of town. I'll try to get Bob again, but
I'm Bosun's mate.
it's hard to turn around.
By the way,
my
Jean,
life jacket on.
Jean,
What?
would you like to mate?
Here we go.
All right, catch town now, there, Jean.
Okay.
Jean, get the first view of the mountains on your left as we head downtown.
First view of the mountains.
Keep it rolling.
Bob's doing all the work.
As usual.
There's our canoe here. The front of our canoe.
We're
I mean, our kayak.
Because Jean forgot her credit card
I forgot my credit card, so we're going into town and
to hang out.
to hang out. And we don't want to go back, except for Oliver and Elle.
Here's a beautiful house on the left if you want to film
There's a
it.
beautiful house.
Slow and easy.
Slow and easy.
That's a nice house there. Are you zooming at all?
Yes, I'm zooming, Bob. Would you like me to zoom you? Bob is working hard.
Geez, Jean.
There he goes. There's the actual paddle. Oh, I just almost lost my paddle. That would have been
right.
really good. It's beautiful. There's my favorite house on Mirror Lake. Look at that house. Okay. I better start helping with the paddling. So, catch you later. Bye.